Welcome back. Today we're going to log into the CIMME site and I'm going to show you how to add a student to your school. So when we log into the site, we notice that we have all of these options on the left navigation pane, as I pointed out in the first video. One of these is to add or transfer a student. If I click on this link, I'm asked to enter the student's MEDMS ID number. So it's important to make sure that we add a real MEDMS ID number. I'm going to use fictitious ones because I don't want to use real ones. But it is important that you're accurate because one of the real powerful pieces of this system is that it allows us to look at students as they move from grade to grade or even school to school within a district or across districts that are using the system. So I'm going to enter in a 9-digit number. That's what all MEDMS numbers are. And then the last name. Then the birthday. Notice that the pop-up boxes come up when I go to look at it. So let's see. What I'm going to do is it was August 16th, but not 2012. Student's birthday, they're in second grade this year. They were born in 2005. I'm allowed to report gender in my school. I click back and I can say that they were enrolled back here on September 3rd. I choose my school and I choose the child's grade. Please be careful when you put in the grade because if you make a mistake it's difficult to correct later. They're in the regular classroom with Mr. Smith, but it's not necessary that I put that in. Next I click the check button and it looks like everything is good. It does give us the chance to modify things at this point, but if we hit confirm, the student will be added to our school. We return to the message center and it looks like maybe nothing's happened, but in fact it's worked correctly. So that if we go to enter assessments, which is a good way for us to look up students, we can see that this student is in here. There she is, Wendy R. Garrison, right there. And we could enter assessments. I won't now because that's a different training topic. But that's all there is to adding or transferring a student. Now there are cases where you may add a student and they're already in the system. They were either in there from last year or they were in there in another school. And you'll see a different dialog box which asks if you want to transfer them to your school. You can go ahead and select that box. Once I have some other students to enter that can be transferred, I will create a new video that shows that. So, back to the message center. Basic steps to add a student to the school, somebody that's not in there already so that we can't work with them in an intervention. We need to go to Add Transfer Student. We then add in that student. Okay. And we enter their data. We check if it all is correct. We then can add them to the school.